Hello guys, this is Learn PC with Sinet, and today in this video I am going to show you all how to download the IDM, that means the Internet Download Manager, and activate it for the lifetime. I will give this files in the description. Then you should after that open the IDM 639 build to setup. Before doing that you should go to the settings and go to settings, and in there you can go to update and security, and there in there Windows security, and in there you should go to open Windows security, and then in virus and threat protection you can click on manage settings and off this real-time protection and the cloud delivered protection and all the protections. And after that you can click on next and accept this. Yes, now it is installed to my PC. I'll show that. Here you can see the download manager is there, and we will see if it is registered. Oh no, it's not registered. So now we will start the registering work. I will give the same file. You will get a one called IDM 6 patcher version 1.2. Before you are going to open that, firstly remove your data, that means disconnect from the internet, and double click on it to start it. And in here it's asking of a name. We should give the first name, and after that give the second name also, like this. Then it's getting some time, and the IDM automatically closed. If not, it will not be registered. Okay, we will wait some time. It will not get much time. Yes, it have been cracked. Here you can see. Now I will open the Internet Download Manager. See, go to the registration, and it said IDM is registered. You can see that clearly. Here the name is also correct. And also I thought to tell something about the Windows 11. Actually still the Windows 11 is not optimized properly, so it is very slow. That means I have experienced it. Now I am using Windows 10, and the boot time is like double of this Windows 10, the Windows 11 one. So before I am recommending you all not to download and install Windows 11 till it is optimized and official released to the shops. And so these are the only things in this video, and stay safe. Here you can see, and it's telling IDM checks one new release every 2 weeks. That means you no need to think about it. It's a normal message. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. We will meet from another video. This is Learn PC with Cine.